Oh, that was...
What are you doing, little girl?
Baby girl.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter, little girl. Is that your little basket? Yeah. What do you think?
Running those legs again.
You trying to run?
Here's Mr. Rabbit. Here's your Mr. Bunny Rabbit.
Oops.
Put your hands up. Oh, you're squishy down. Let's put you back up. Whee! Here. How's that? How's that? Oh, that's good. That's good. Can you smile? Baby girl.
I think she's saying no.
Hey.
No, I don't want to smile.
Baby girl. Hey, you. How about the bunny? Yeah, I know. I'm trying to make you grow up already, aren't I?
How pretty Mama is.
Hey, stop that.
Oh,
Hi, baby girl.
grumpy. I'm grumpy.
Oh, grumpy girl. Don't you like your little Easter basket? There, can you hold on to it? Can you hold on to it? Oops.
That was kind of a smile.
Hi.